What does the $1.9 trillion stimulus mean to you? First, if you are single and make less than $75,000 a year, you'll receive $1,400. If married, your income needs to be under $150,000 a year, then each person would get $1,400. If eligible, you also would get $1,400 for each dependent. So a qualifying family of 4 would receive $5,600. Also, the child tax credit would increase. So what about those still unemployed? Benefits continue through September with an additional $300 a week. There are also billions of dollars handed out to local and state governments, charities, and some special interest groups. There is lots of pork in this bill. What is not in the bill was raising the minimum wage from $7.25 an hour to $15 an hour. If you think about it, by distributing such a large-sized stimulus, the government will get that increase of wages over time because this stimulus will create a tremendous amount of inflation. In previous periods, when the government distributed helicopter money, consumer spending increased, companies experienced higher revenues, and bubbles in the economy developed. Today, we can anticipate higher interest rates. During the pandemic, the 10-year Treasury paid a meager 0.318% on March 8, 2020. A year later, the yield struck 1.59%. At Armada Advisors, we believe rates will go beyond 2%, which would hurt bond investors. That is why we greatly reduced our bond exposure several months ago. Eventually, rates could move high enough to slow down the hot real estate market. Asset and commodity prices should continue to appreciate. However, within a year, there ought to be less upside with companies with highly leveraged balance sheets. A correction in these is not out of the question. If you have concerns about your portfolio, give us a call at Armada Advisors, where we are charting a better course.